everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Adina and I am so excited for this video. Y'all already know FESTA 2020 has begun, and BTS have released a little summer version for Airplane Part 2. This is when they were doing their summer package in Saipan. So this was at the same time that Cookie's little GCF in Saipan was filmed. So like when we saw them on like the beach and stuff like that, this is the same time. So I'm so excited for this. I saw when it came out and I saw a lot of people talking about it, but I really tried hard not to spoil myself. So here we are. We're not delaying any longer. Let's get straight into it. Alright, 2020 FESTA, BTS Airplane Part 2 Summer Version at 2018 Summer Package in Saipan. In 3, 2, 1, play. I feel like I haven't heard this song in forever. Oh my god. Red-haired Cookie. This is so cute. This is like, oh my god, Tae and Hobi in the background. And then Jin joins them. But this is like when you're at a friend's house during summer break and you guys decide to film a little music video for like your favorite song in the backyard. They all look so good though, what the heck? We love Yoongi with the headband. Oh my god. Namjoon, please put the chair down before you hurt yourself or someone else. Namjoon is literally just carrying things in the background. This is the group. This is the group of guys that we stan. Amazing. We love him. We love him for it. That was literally the cutest thing ever. They also looked so good in that video. What the heck? What the heck? I so love the parts where they would just like, for just certain parts they would start doing the choreography. but like in tiny because they're not going full out, you know? But yeah, as I was saying during that, that literally looks like when you and like a group of friends are hanging out at one of your houses and it's like it's summer break, you're in their backyard and you're like, you know what, we should totally film a music video. And one friend is there with like their phone and they're like so your favorite song playing in the background. That's exactly what that looked like. That was so cute. I'm so excited for this year's FESTA. I'm so excited to see what else they're going to be releasing. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below other videos you'd like me to react to. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.